Students, today we start the second chapter. After what we have to be teach in the before this we have to be teach the fixed capital account, and then after that we have to be the part of the second part which is to be not taught there. So we have to be start the fluctuating capital account. As the word fluctuating means change, means while we are preparing a fluctuating capital account, there is a change. The several things which are to be increased or decreased or bought or withdrawn, that everything is to be recorded in the fluctuating capital account. As the word fluctuating means changing, hence the balance of the capital account under this method, under this system, are allowed to increase or decrease. Hence, all items related to capital account are recorded in the capital itself. Means all the items which are recorded in the before that we are to be fluctuating capital account. In fluctuating capital account, there are two accounts are to be prepared: partners capital account and partners current account. So all the items related to the partners fixed capital account are recorded itself in a one account, that is fluctuating capital account, as a partners capital account. Under this fluctuating capital account, only one account is prepared, that is capital account. Fluctuating capital account method is followed, only one account, that is capital account. While we are preparing a fluctuating capital account, there is a format or a specimen of the partners capital account, how it is to be prepared. This is a specimen given in front of you, and the balance of the capital account. Before, what we have to prepare in the earlier, we are not writing the balance of the capital account, but in this we have to be prepare a capital balance as well as the other items which are related in the profit and loss appropriation account. They both have to be recorded in a separate one account, that is partners capital account. First of all, the balance of the partners capital account are recorded at the credit side, and the additional capital, if partners have, that can be recorded. So either items which are to be interest on capital debited, commission debited, salary debited. And interest on capital, commission and salary, or profit and loss profit, that can be shown in the while we are preparing a profit and loss appropriation account. These items are to be taken from the profit and loss appropriation account, which is we prepared earlier before starting the partners capital account. And at the debit side, the balance, if there is any debit balance is to be given in the partners capital account, then so it is that can be recorded at the debit side of the partners capital account. Drawing is shown in the additional information given in the question. So we have to be taken the drawing. While several times all the partners are not withdrawn the amount from the business, so drawing is not to be given by all the partners. Only one, two, or only one partner's drawings are to be given. So we write in front of the partners capital account itself whose drawing is given. So interest on drawing is there in the question. If interest on drawing is given, it can be shown in two places. First is profit and loss appropriation account at the credit side, and that credit side interest on drawing is to be transferred to the partners capital account only. If in partnership profit and loss appropriation account interest on drawing is not given, then it is not to be charged in the partners capital account. So profit and loss, one item is to be there. If it is profit or loss, then after that we have to be balance it, and the balance is to be shown at the two balance carried down is the last balance and the final balance. Thank you.